We're going to be talking about a very important subject now, and it's often the missing link into why people are not getting well. What's the old saying? Happy wife, happy life. You know, when you've got a happy lady who's running the home, the whole family is happy. We got a lot of unhappy ladies and men. What are the symptoms of a hormonal imbalance in a male? It can be low sperm count. It can be inability to hold an erection. It can be prostate problems. Hello, and thank you for joining me today. We're tackling a vital topic for men over 50. The changes in testosterone and energy that come with age, and how we can counteract these shifts naturally. As men age, testosterone levels often drop, which can affect energy and mood. It's easy to feel disconnected from the vigor you once had. Perhaps you're feeling a decrease in intimacy, or find that natural spontaneous desire is fading. You're not alone. Many face these symptoms without knowing why. The current figures of 50% of men over the age of 40 are having trouble with this. That's crazy. Sorry, I got that mixed up. It's 40% of men over the age of 50 who are struggling with this. But what if there's a powerful way to revitalize those levels naturally? In today's lecture, I'll be sharing specific foods that can significantly impact your hormone health and restore your testosterone levels, along with a remarkable solution in the end that may surprise you, one that could be a game changer for strength and masculinity. So, if you've noticed a drop in energy, motivation, or even felt a distance from your own vitality, you're in the right place. This is your opportunity to uncover key changes that could redefine your health. If a man has zinc every day, that zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone to the dangerous form of testosterone. And what's the highest form of zinc? Pumpkin seeds. Can something as simple as pumpkin seeds truly make a difference? Absolutely. Packed with zinc, a mineral essential for maintaining testosterone, pumpkin seeds deliver a powerhouse of nutrients in just a small handful. A 1/4 cup provides 63% of the daily recommended zinc intake. Unfortunately, many diets are deficient in zinc, which negatively impacts testosterone production. In fact, studies show that zinc deficiency can lower testosterone by up to 50%. In fact, one health writer said if every man was having adequate zinc, there would be no such thing as prostate problems. Interesting. To unlock the benefits, try lightly roasting the seeds. They make an excellent addition to salads or oatmeal. But remember, moderation is key. Stick to a 1/4 cup serving to avoid overconsumption. If you don't have enough cholesterol, you can't make your sex hormones. From cholesterol, your body makes pregnenolone. And from pregnenolone, your body makes progesterone. Progesterone is a key hormone because from progesterone, estrogen is made. From progesterone, testosterone is made. And from progesterone, the adrenal hormones are made. A key factor in maintaining testosterone levels is cholesterol, the foundation of all sex hormones. Here are 2 powerhouse foods that provide the cholesterol and nutrients your body needs to produce testosterone effectively. Egg yolks are incredibly rich in cholesterol and provide essential fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which has been shown to support testosterone production. A single egg yolk contains roughly 186 milligrams of cholesterol, enough to support the creation of testosterone without increasing bad cholesterol levels when consumed in moderation. Shellfish, especially oysters and shrimp, are packed with both cholesterol and zinc, making them ideal for testosterone production. Zinc is crucial for men's hormonal health as it stimulates the luteinizing hormone, which in turn promotes testosterone production. Just 6 medium oysters can provide up to 33 milligrams of zinc, nearly 3 times the daily recommended intake, helping to support testosterone synthesis and immune health. Oysters also contain other key minerals like selenium and copper, which play a role in energy metabolism and reducing oxidative stress, both important for testosterone health. Consuming shellfish once or twice a week is an excellent way to ensure you're getting these nutrients. For a man, some of the symptoms are low sperm count. A lot of couples can't have children today. Sometimes it's the man, sometimes it's the woman. Also, penile dysfunction or erectile dysfunction, inability to hold an erection, and also prostate problems. A man with prostate problems, it's an indication of a hormonal imbalance. Brazil nuts offer an extraordinary nutrient, selenium, which is rare but essential. Just one Brazil nut provides nearly double the daily recommended intake for selenium, a mineral that supports testosterone by protecting cells in the testes from oxidative damage. Research from Harvard highlights selenium's importance in sperm quality and testosterone levels. A single nut can deliver these benefits. For added absorption, combine with a small amount of healthy fat like olive oil. A legendary adaptogen from the Andes, maca root has been valued for its hormone balancing properties. Rich in unique compounds, maca root works by stimulating the endocrine system, indirectly supporting testosterone levels. Studies reveal that maca root can enhance libido and energy significantly, providing hormonal support without directly boosting testosterone. Did you know that cacao has powerful testosterone-boosting properties? Rich in magnesium, a nutrient that supports hormone balance, cacao also delivers antioxidants that improve blood flow. Just 1 tablespoon of cacao provides 27% of your daily magnesium needs. Garlic's benefits go beyond flavor. It can actually help maintain testosterone by lowering cortisol, a stress hormone that can inhibit testosterone. This effect is due to allicin, a compound in garlic that promotes hormonal balance. For best results, crush garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate the allicin. Rich in protein and zinc, Greek yogurt is an excellent addition to any testosterone-boosting diet. With around 20 grams of protein and 1.5 milligrams of zinc per serving, it supports muscle mass and hormonal balance. Plastics. I think it's impossible to get away from plastic. It's handy stuff, but we need to be very mindful of not storing things in plastic. So, your drinking bottle, it should be stainless steel or glass. Or, I have one that I travel with, and it's a hard plastic. And that hard plastic doesn't have the chemicals in it. You see, estrogen in its molecular structure has a phenol ring, and that phenol ring unlocks the door to let the estrogen into the cell. So, there are some chemicals today they're putting in plastics that have the phenol ring. There's non-ilphenol. A non-ilphenol is what makes the plastic soft, so you can squeeze it. And another one is bisphenol A, or it's often called BPA. You can get plastic that's BPA free, and they're usually the hard plastic. You can get some healthy baby bottles that are the hard plastic. But notice what they all have. They all have the phenol ring. And that's why plastics are called xenoestrogens. That's estrogen mimickers. They mimic estrogen. They get into the estrogen receptor site. Now, let's dive into that unique approach I mentioned earlier, one that many have found transformative. Well, a man would go on the yam cream, and they make a cream now called his yam cream. And it's the same really as the women's, but it's got a few herbs specific for men. So, the his yam cream, a man will apply just a little bit, just the very tip of the finger, twice a day. And he doesn't have a break because men aren't cyclic like women. Why would a man be on it? To help if he was a little effeminate. It would help with his masculinity. To help get the testosterone levels down. To conquer prostate problems. This special cream, known as yam cream, is formulated from wild yam extracts. For men, it's sometimes called his yam cream, and it's a natural aid to support testosterone and masculine vitality. Just a small amount applied daily can assist in boosting energy, promoting testosterone balance, and even improving overall masculinity. For many, it's become an effective, simple addition to their wellness routine. By incorporating this cream alongside a diet rich in cholesterol and hormone-supporting nutrients, you're giving your body the tools it needs to restore vitality naturally.